Good morning, students. Today's our topic is integers. It's a new lesson. Okay. Integers means what? Today we have to learn. Integers means, do you know the numbers? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. So firstly, numbers discovered, that is a natural number. Okay. First number is discovered as a natural number. So natural number means what? Natural numbers. Natural numbers actually start with 1. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on. So it is a natural number. We denote that natural number with n. Symbol n. Okay. Then after that, in India, 0 was discovered. Okay. So when we added 0 in this natural number, then we get whole number. Whole numbers. So whole numbers, it is denoted with W, symbol W. So the numbers are 0, 1, 2, 3 and so on. Okay. Natural numbers start with 1 and infinity. Infinity means we can't it is not stoppable. Okay. We can't read that number up to that numbers are there. In whole numbers also 0 and all natural numbers means up to infinity. Okay, but it starts with 0. Natural numbers are start with 1 and infinity, and here it will start with 0 up to infinity. Then what is the integers? So integers means what? Integers is denoted with I, okay, symbol I, integers. Here whole numbers, okay, whole numbers means 0 and there are all positive numbers and including negative numbers. Okay, means suppose 0 is here, to the right of 0 there are all positive numbers, okay, and to the left of 0 there are all negative numbers and so on. So integers means what? The number where we are having the 0, all positive numbers and all negative numbers. It is called integers. Okay. So how ordering of integers? Now we have to learn ordering of integers. Ordering of integers means what? How they order. Okay. So I explain you on the number line. It is a number line. 0 is at the center. 0 is at the center. All positive numbers are to the right of 0. Positive 1, positive 2, positive 3 and so on. And all negative numbers are at left of the 0. Okay. See, don't say it -1, -2, -3. Okay, or +1, +2, +3. +1 means we added 1. Okay, we add that 1, and -1, -2 means we subtract from any number. But here it is the sign. Here it is the sign. So we have to say it negative or positive. Okay, in the short we write it as a negative, and for positive we write it as a plus VE, means positive and negative. Okay, we denote it. So ordering of integers is, if 0 is in the center, okay, then numbers which are positive, they increase by 1 to the right. They are increasing in order, okay, by 1 to the right. Means 1, then 2, then plus 1 3, then plus 1 4, then 5, okay, like this. Same here in the negative numbers, what happened, that from 0 to negative 1, okay, increasing order. So it is to the left by 1. It is increasing to the left by 1. Means it is negative 1, then negative 2, negative 3, negative 4. But increasing means what? Only numbers are increased, 1, 2, 3, 4. But the value of that number is decreasing. The value of that number is decreasing. How? Negative 1 is greater than negative 1. Negative 2 is the less than negative 1. Means negative 2 is smaller than negative 1. Negative 2 is the smaller than negative 1. Means on the number line, if we go to the left of 0 or to the left to the number line, then it is in the decreasing order. Okay, either it is positive or negative. So positive numbers, if we go to the left side of the number line, suppose here 3 is there and we go to the left by one place, then it is decreased. Okay, value of that number is decreased. 3, then it will be less 1, 2. Then less 1, 1. 2 less 1, 1. Then 1 less 1, 0. And if we less 1 from the 0, we get negative 1. If we less or subtract 1 from the 0, then we get negative 1. Okay. Same, if we subtract 1 from the negative 1, then we get negative 2. Okay. Means the value of numbers are decreased when we go to the left of the number line. Got it? So it is all about ordering of integers. Now we discuss exercise 6.1. Okay, it is totally upon this topic. So I will explain you exercise 6.1. In 6.1, there is a first question that write opposites of the following. Try to write the opposites of the following. Increase in weight. First is increase in weight. So opposite of increase is decrease. So increase in weight. So what is the answer? That decrease in weight. Decrease in weight. Second is 30 kilometer north. 30 kilometer north. What is the opposite direction of north? So already we learn direction. Which direction is up to the upward side? It is the north, and opposite to north there is a south. Opposite to north there is a south. So 30 kilometer north. So we write here 30 kilometer south. 30 kilometer south. Then 326 BC, the opposite to BC, you have to see. Then loss of rupees 700, loss, opposite to loss you have to write. Okay. Then 100 meter above the sea level. Above the sea level. Suppose sea level is here, above the sea level, then you have to write the opposite of that above. Above, opposite to the above, you have to write. Okay. So it is homework for you. Question number 2. Represent the following numbers as integers with an appropriate sign. You have to write the appropriate sign here. It is the question number 2. First, write the question. First question is, an aeroplane is flying at a height of 2000 meter above the ground. 2000 meter above the ground. So it is above the ground. Suppose I draw here one number line. Okay, it is the ground. Okay, it is ground level and it is inside the ground. Okay, this part of earth. Okay, and it is above the ground. Above the ground means it may be there are, what is it? Clouds and all. Okay, sky is there. So aeroplane is where it is? It is at a height 2000. Height 2000. So it is at the height of 2000 meter above the ground. So it is above the ground. So we write sign before it. It is positive 2000. Okay, it is positive 2000. If we say that below 2000 or below to the height of 2000, then it will be negative 2000. Below means what? Negative. Above means what? Positive. Okay. Question number 2 is a submarine. Submarine, do you know the submarine? Submarine is always below the water level, sea level. Okay. So a submarine is moving at a depth. Depth means what? In water, inside the water. 800 meter below the sea level. Suppose, same example we take here. Now here it is, suppose, what is sea. Okay. And submarine is below the sea level. It is below the sea level, submarine. So how much? It is 800 meter. 800 meter below the sea level. 800 meter. So which sign we have to put here? We put negative 800. Negative 800 meter. Then next is a deposit of rupees 200. Deposit means we deposited amount in the bank. Deposit means add. Okay, deposit means add. So whenever we added any number, then it is a positive. So a deposit of rupees 200 means we give the sign positive 200. Then withdrawal of rupees 700. Withdrawal means taking from the bank. Okay, amount we taking from the bank. So it is a withdrawal. Withdrawal means it is less. Okay, subtraction. So withdrawal of rupees 700. So sign will be negative 700. Sign will be negative 700. Then question number 3 is represent the following numbers on a number line. You have to represent the numbers on the number line. It's very easy. First, draw the number line. Give the 0 at the center. Okay. Then the numbers are, we have to draw positive 5, then negative 10, then positive 8, negative 1 and negative 6. Okay. So for every question you have to draw different number line. Okay. So we started with this A, positive 5. So here positive 1, positive 2, positive 3, positive 4 and positive 5. Okay. So it is positive 5. So we can show it as giving an arrow on that, or we simply use circle. Okay, so it is a positive 5 A. Okay, and one more thing, that whenever you draw the number line, keep the distance same in two numbers. If 0 and 1 there is 1 centimeter, then 1 and 2 also will be of 1 centimeter. Distance between two numbers will be same. Either you take 1 centimeter or half centimeter, okay? It's your business. So it is first positive 5. Then for second, it is negative 10. So draw another number line and show the number here, negative 1, negative 2, negative 3, negative 4, negative 5, negative 6, negative 7, negative 8, negative 9, and last one is negative 10. Okay, so negative 10 is there, so use the arrow on that, negative 10. Okay, so you can give the arrow and or you can simply circle over there. Okay, so it is about question number 3. Then question number 4 is adjacent figure is a vertical number line representing integers. Observe it and locate the following points. One figure is given in your textbook on page number 120. That figure is number line. Okay. So here it is number line, and the 0 is here. Then after two lines there is A. Then after two lines there is B. Then C. And after three lines there is a D, which is a positive 8. Okay. Then here after one line there is H. Then after four lines there is a G. Then F. Then E. Okay. So first question is, if point D is at positive 8, then which point is negative 8? If D is at positive 8, then which point is at negative 8? So here it is a 0. 0 is the middle term. Okay. So you can simply, what we do? Positive 1, positive 2, positive 3, positive 4, positive 5, positive 6, positive 7. Okay, means whenever number line is like this, then above to the 0 it is positive and below to the 0 are negative. So negative 1, negative 2, negative 3, negative 4, negative 5, negative 6, negative 7, negative 8, negative 9 and negative 10. So which point is at negative 8? F. Okay. So simply you write that point F is at negative 8. Okay. The next is point G a negative integer or positive integer? Is point G is negative integer or positive integer? G is negative integer. So write down negative integer. Negative integer. Okay. So it is homework for you. Then we question number 5. From question number 5 we will see in another video. Okay. After that, bye bye. Thank you.